a big ginormous potato. Hello everybody, welcome to our kitchen with my little assistant today, and we're gonna practice peeling. So what I've brought today is a nice big potato from the fridge. You could practice this with carrots, cucumbers, apples, all kinds of things. Now our peeler that we have kind of slides on the finger, and I like this one because it protects the children from any cuts. Just warn your child ahead of time that the peeler is sharp. You can let them touch it, and they need to have a healthy respect for these tools in the kitchen. Right, Ev? So do you want to show them how to peel? She's going to start. Can you? Yeah, there she goes. Nice long peels. Yeah. And this can help children's concentration, focus. When they're assisting you in the kitchen, they're more likely to eat what you're preparing.
Look, Mom, it slides.
They have a sense of accomplishment. Yes, it's slidey. So once you get the skin off, isn't that part really slippery?
Yeah.
So it's a very sensory activity, and they're, working their muscles. It's great. So what are we going to make when we're done peeling the potatoes, Evelyn?
French fries.
French fries today. So enjoy your adventures in the kitchen. We'll clean that up when we're done, Evelyn. We're going to put all the peeling into a compost, so